Anytime you're removing and replacing gaskets, chances are you'll require some sealant. You'll never go wrong with Mr. Gasket Silicon RTV. Designed to withstand mechanical and thermal stress, Mr. Gasket Silicon RTV is right at home under the hood of your vehicle. Ideal for oil, water, and coolant applications, Mr. Gasket Silicon RTV is O2 sensor safe, non-corrosive, and is low odor, making it easy to work with. Best of all, the 3-ounce tube is at a great price compared to the traditional rainbow-colored sealants, which can detract from the look of your engine. Mr. Gasket Silicon RTV is a neutral gray which blends with a cast iron, aluminum castings, and doesn't stand out or draw attention. Anytime you're removing and replacing gaskets, make sure to pick up some Mr. Gasket Silicon RTV along with Mr. Gasket Gaskets. Thanks for watching. For more information on Mr. Gasket products, visit our website at mrgasket.com.